Hello students, hope you all are good and doing well. This is your subject teacher of computer from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, today we are going to start our second chapter from computer, that is parts of a computer. Students, you know what is computer? A computer is a machine. In your previous chapter, you know very well, a computer is a machine that accepts data as input, processes that data using programs, outputs that process data as information. Students, computer can be connected together to form of a networks. Do you know that how many main components of computer? As you know very well, a computer has two main components. Number first is hardware and number second is software. Computer are now a fact of life. Students, do you know that who invented the computer? Tell me, do you know that who invented the computer? As we know, English mathematician and inventor Charles Babbage invented the computer. In your previous chapter, students, we know there are a lot of differences between computer and humans. Like a computer never gets tired and a human gets tired. A computer works very fast. A human cannot work fast as computer. A computer stores a lot of information, but a human can store a limited information. In your previous chapter, your next topic was types of computer. As you know, there are a lot of types of computers like desktop computers and laptops, tablet and smartphones. Students, we know that there are a lot of uses of computer at different places like schools, homes, offices, banks, hospitals, shops and malls, and the airports and railway station. Now students, we are going to start your next chapter, your chapter name is parts of a computer. A computer has four main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. All these parts are connected by wires. Let us learn about these parts one by one. So students, as you see, it is the picture of computer and its parts. Like number first is monitor. A monitor looks like a television. Students, you can say that monitor looks like a television. Have you seen television? Yes or no? I think everyone can see television. It can display words, images and videos. A monitor is also called a visual display unit. VDU. So students, do you know that what is the full form of VDU? It's visual display unit. Next, your next topic is CPU. As we see students, it is the picture of CPU at the page number of 15. The CPU cabinet contains the central processing unit. It controls all the other parts of a computer connected to it. So students, as you can say that central processing unit is the full form of CPU. Students, please turn over the page. Your next topic is keyboard. It's keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons on it called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Pressing these keys help us to type words and numbers on a computer. So student, it is the picture of keyboard. As you can say, a keyboard has a lot of keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. So students, your next topic is mouse. As you can see, it is the picture of mouse. A mouse helps to a mouse helps to point, move and select an object on the monitor. A computer mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. It's also used to play games and draw pictures. Do you know that, student? Where can we use the uses of mouse? It's used to play games and draw pictures. So students, now apart from the four main parts, a computer has also some additional parts. These are separately connected to the CPU through wires. So students, your next topic is printer. As you can see, it is the picture of printers. A printer is used to print a copy of the information stored in a computer on a sheet of paper. It can print both text and pictures. This printed copy is called a printout or a hard copy. What can we call? It's a printout and a hard copy. So students, your next topic is speakers. Students, have you seen a speaker? Yes or no? Speaker, as you can see, it is the picture of speakers who are available our home. Speakers are used to listen to music, sound and other sound effects stored in a computer. So student, do you know that? Where do you use a speaker? Speaker are used to listen to music, sound and other sound effects stored in a computer. So students, your next topic is headphones and microphone. Students, have you seen headphones and microphone? Yes or no? Headphones are used when a single person wants to hear the sound or music. They are plugged into the computer through wires or wireless. Students, there are two types of headphones and microphones. They are plugged into the computer through wires or wireless. It's wires with wires and wire without wire. A microphone is used to record different sounds and your voice into a computer. A microphone is used to record different sounds and your voice into a computer. Students, your next topic is UPS. UPS stands for Uninterrupted Power Supply. A UPS keeps a computer running for a short time even after a power cut. So students, as you can say that what is the full form of UPS? Uninterrupted Power Supply. A UPS is used only with desktop computers. You students, as you know, a UPS is used only with desktop computers. So students, please turn over the page. And your next topic is hard disk. As you can see, it is the picture of hard disk. Whatever you save in a computer, it gets automatically stored in its hard disk. A hard disk is like a small box inside the CPU cabinet. So what is the full form of CPU? It's Central Processing Unit. A hard disk can store a large amount of data. So students, as you know, apart from the fixed hard disk, there are hard disks which you can carry around. Such hard disks are called external hard disk or portable hard disk. So students, your next topic is CD, DVD and pen drive. CD, DVD and pen drive are used to store a lot of information. Student, do you know that? Where do you use pen drive, CD and DVD? CD, DVD and pen drives are used to store a lot of information. These devices are also used to transfer data from the computer to another. These devices are easy to carry due to their small size. Pen drive is a very small device. It's also known as flash device. Pen drive is a small device. It's also known as a flash device. So students, you can see the picture of CD, DVD and pen drive. So students, your chapter name is Parts of a Computer. Student, do you know that a monitor is also known as a VDU? What is the full form VDU? Students, do you know that? what is the full form of VDU? It's Visual Display Unit. Students, your most important topic is CPU. Student, do you know that what is the full form of CPU? It's Central Processing Unit. And students, do you know that what is keyboard? A keyboard has many buttons on it called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. And students, which part controls all the other parts of a computer? It's CPU. What is the full form of CPU? It's Central Processing Units. Thank you, student.